Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to AquaTV and welcome to London Open. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing? Yo, Javed, how you doing, bro? Lee, what's up, man? All right, guys, for London session, we're going to be Satish. For London session, we're going to be trading German 40. It's what we've been trading for, since we started doing London Open. Yesterday we caught this trade, pretty nice trade to be honest. But today we can already see that German 40 is starting off. I am looking for sells again, but before we do look for sells, let's just make sure that we have our analysis onto par as well, right? So what we do every single day when we do come into this analysis is that we mark up the daily lows and daily highs. Right now, marking up the daily lows, daily highs is going to give you a good indication of the performance of the market. All right, so just looking at this, we can see that, okay, cool. Yesterday it closed bearish. We did not surpass the high of the previous day, nor did we surpass the low. All right, so at this current moment, although this candle closed bearish, it's still kind of in between whether price wants to continue starting off or not, right? But the fact that it did close bearish is a good sign for furthermore sells. Sinikam, how you doing, bro? All right, so going back onto the 15-minute. All right, we do have price in our golden zone. Last week low. I wouldn't mind taking shorts probably at the break of the golden zone, last week low and 50-day moving average. Something like this. Maybe have the stop loss at slightly above the support and resistance zone. And then in terms of TP, I would probably look to aim for something like that. So again, like another 1 to 2 trade. Did I saw gold's move yesterday? No, I didn't. Let's take a quick look at gold as well. So I'm sure you guys know already that we do giveaways on every stream. So once we enter trade, probably in the middle of the stream, we'll be giving away $70,000 worth of accounts, a $50,000 futures account, and then two $10,000 accounts, as well as at the end of the stream. What move on gold? It just just continued ramping up. It's actually pretty crazy. Nice to hear from you too as well, bro. Are you looking to short in gold? No, right now I'm looking to short German 40. So German 40 I'm looking to short. And this position over here isn't bad at all as well. I wouldn't mind taking shorts at this position. Is it bearish in bigger time frame? Yeah, in the daily time frame, been pretty bearish. All right, I'm taking shorts on German 40 at this price point over here. So it's like a 1, 2, 3 setup. So if you are on stream and you want to trade German 40 as well, just take shorts. We took shorts at 24176. Our stop loss is at 24334. And then our TPs are 24010. And TP2 is 23695. Madesh, how you doing, bro? So this is the German 40 trade that we are in. We're in shorts. Pretty pretty quick, considering because normally we would wait for our setup, which we did, but we just have so much validation for shorts over here, also the key area right now. So really happy with this position. And then remember that when we are always trading, we always have an area where we'll move stop loss to break even, right? Just to take some risk off the table. So what I would probably like to do is have stop loss to break even at this point. So it's basically TP1. So once price hits TP1, all right, we no longer have risk on this trade. Great start today. Yeah, it is a great start. Did you catch the pump yesterday in indices? No, I didn't. I actually didn't trade New York yesterday, but I'm going to be trading New York today. Are we already in? Yes, we are. Yes, we are in. Do you like in our London session moves, Jamie, especially that 9:30 a.m. move? I prefer New York because I've been trading New York for like 5 years. Should I enter now? You can enter now, but your stop loss, I'll keep the stop loss the same, but your risk to reward ratio would be slightly less. You have to be on time, yeah, generally. But the thing is with like trades, like you can't really predict exactly when you are going to trade, right? So damn, nice buy, Jamie. Trump's going to announce something for sure that will take away the market. Yeah, the sell is moving quite nicely so far. Pretty happy with how this sell is moving. All right, guys. Well, since we are are in a trade already in probably, let's just say 7 minutes. How many minutes until this candle? Let's just say the end of the next 15-minute candle, right? We'll be doing the giveaway. So at the end of the 15-minute candle, we'll be doing a giveaway. How long more or less will it take for the Aqua team to contact me for account? Let me follow up. Which day was it that you won the account? Oh wow, look at this move from German 40. Look at this move. What a trade. TP1 is 24,010. Once it hits that point, we move our stop loss to entry, and then it's a risk-free trade. Hey Blackmouth, how you doing, bro? Ezra, how you doing, bro? Ezra Roberts. Keeps going higher and higher. Where you from, Ezra? Where you from, bro? Oh yeah, he's definitely talking about gold. He's definitely talking about gold. When to sell gold, there's no resistance at the top at all-time high. So do you want me to show you how I would essentially look, right? Let me show you quickly. So I'm just opening gold quickly just to show you guys, right? So keep in mind when you are trading something that is keep on climbing, going for all-time highs, so on, right? It's very difficult for you to, especially if you're just working purely based on support resistance, it's really difficult for you to actually have support and resistance because, like, it's new territory essentially. So there's new territory, and that means that with the new territory, there's no data, right? There's no data for you to essentially there's no data for you to go off of. So this is why having multiple confluences is so important, right? Honestly, this is why it's so important. So again, how I would do an analysis is work with last week's data. So here, last week's data, get the high to the low, low hey, low ho, and then see we would have our last week 1.618 over here. Actually, and then going back to the daily, we do the same. All right, we go to the daily, we do the same. So we mark up our daily high, daily low. Boom, 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 boom. So now just looking at this, right, we have our 1.618 extension, which could possibly be an area to sell. But that's just one confluence. Now, that's why it's very difficult when you trade in this kind of environment because you don't have a lot of confluences, right? But what else do we have over here? We can see probably a ascending trend forming. So there. So now we have this little hot pocket, right? So anywhere from, let's just say this 15-minute trend to about this could be a pocket of interest. All right, pocket of interest being that's where we could possibly see a slight movement for price to continue going down or reclaim some liquidity prior to going up. But with gold, it's very, very tricky right now because, again, it's got so much momentum that it could probably continue. Right. So in terms of support resistance, you can probably have like a 15-minute support resistance just to play off of that. But I don't usually like to work off that. I like to work off with 4 hour and 1 hour. Short gold and SR 5000. That would be funny. I done short before last time I booked it in the company. What time frame? We're on the 5-minute time frame right now. What's your final target for this trade? 23,695. That's my final target. 23695. Parabolic move, brother. Gold's crazy. Guess you got cold and cough. No. When is the market going to be normal? Never, bro. At this rate, never. At this rate, never. Hey, Safi. It's time to give away in 5 minutes, bro. How you learn TA? What do you mean by TA? Bro, are you training? No, London. London session. So if I'm risking 0.5% at TP1, I'd basically be at, it's a 1 to 3 trade. So I'd essentially be at like a 1.5. If you get 4 hour plus 15-minute confluence in any model, yes, I would say that's roughly correct, but it also just depends what kind of confluences are you getting. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, is your confluence just like a support resistance? Is it multiple variables? What are your confluences? All right, guys. So I'll be doing the giveaway for the first round of giveaways for this live stream. Remember, the first round is the 50K futures account, and then it's the two 10K accounts. Okay. So first question for a 10K account is, what is the Halloween discount code on the AquaFunded website? What is the Halloween discount code on the AquaFunded website? Hey, what's up, Karan? Fall? No, it's not fall. Spooky, yes. All in one show for a 10K account. Congrats, bro. Okay. Now, the second question is, let's see. What animal is associated with a 5K account on the AquaFunded website? For a 10K account, what animal is associated with a 5K account on the AquaFunded website? No. Nope. Fish? No. No, it's not a 5K account. Seahorse. There you go, Dave. So Dave won a 10K account. All right. And then for the 50K futures account, let's see. 50K futures account. Let's see. All right. For the 50K futures account, what is TP1 exactly? What is TP1 on this trade? Yeah, what is it? Not like what does it mean, but like what is the actual amount that we're looking for? Yes, Marvel fan. There you go, bro. 24,010 Marvel fan. All right, guys. So those are the winners for the first round of the giveaway. The 10K account, all in one show. You won a $10,000 trading account. Dave. Dave won a $10,000 funded account. And Marvel fan, you won a 50K futures account. Congrats, guys. Congrats. And also, it looks like we might be hitting TP1 pretty soon. So it's great on all ends. Bro, please can I have a 10K account on forex? You would have to win one in the competition, bro. Um, let's go. I've been trying long since, but never won. But how? Do you know it's all luck, to be honest, bro? Or if you click on your feet with the answers. I'm late, Jamie. Entry point. At this rate, not really. Unless price comes to entry now, or not now, but like before we move our stop loss to entry, then I'd say yes. But at this rate, like no. Just going to hit first one. I'll find except friend request. Maybe we'll win soon. Yeah, guys, we still have one more giveaway at the end of the stream, and it's literally the same, literally like the same prizes. So if you guys didn't win in that one, you still have an opportunity to win in the next one. Looks like we might be hitting TP pretty soon though. We are all winners already with the live streams rather than live analysis. I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate. Yeah, if you guys didn't win on the giveaway, you know, maybe you made enough money to like purchase an account, you know. I mean, we haven't touched wood, right? Touched wood, but we haven't had a losing trade yet. Have we had one? I think maybe out of all the London streams, maybe we had one losing trade. The rest have been winners. Two futures accounts. Just one, yeah, correct. Wait, guys, just confirm, right? I know we've had a lot of break-even days, but have we lost a trade? And if we lost a trade, how many? I think it was only one trade. Yes, I do trade NASDAQ. Are you drinking hell? No, I'm drinking Coke. Jamie looking frustrated. Shot, bro. You know what I'm saying with the cap. Yes, sir. 0 calorie Coke, yeah, bro. I'm just trying to get lean. You know what I'm saying? That's poison. Favorite flavor Monster. White. The white Monster I love. But also the watermelon one's quite nice. No reversal coming in? I hope not. So, are there any Halloween activities? Any Halloween activities? What do you mean, like where I'm from? Oh, Halloween is not really celebrated in India. Yeah, I would say in like South Africa, it's relatively okay. It's not as big as like the States and stuff, but they still try. Diwali. Oh, isn't it Diwali this weekend? Yes, it is Diwali, right? Um, Diwali means, do you know? Mod? No, I don't know. What? Modiji? Modiji. Oh, Prime Minister. Okay. Yeah, the market looks like it's retreating a little bit, but let's just see. Let's just see. Yeah, these trades are so annoying when it comes so close to your stop loss. I mean, your SL to entry or your TP, and then it just retreats. It's really, really annoying. Modiji, a very big celebrity. Okay, but like more politics, right? More on like the political aspect. Who is that other guy from India? Like apparently he's like his family's like worth billions and they own like their own zoo or like an animal sanctuary. And he had like this crazy wedding where like Justin Bieber came and stuff. Jamie, please don't repeat giveaway winners. Ambani, yes. Yeah, that's exactly him. Yeah, he's pretty interesting. Mukesh Ambani. When do you start trading forex or futures? 5 years ago. 5, 6 years ago. Vijay Mallya, I don't. Sorry, bro. He ran away from India with 14,000 CR. Shall we re-enter entry? If you haven't entered the trade, then you can enter. If you're already in the trade, then maintain your position. That's what I would essentially do. Have you seen his son's wedding? No, I haven't. He has a son, the chubby guy. I saw the Ambani wedding. There's like a bunch of celebrities and everything. That was pretty cool though, I won't lie. He has 2 sons and 1 daughter. The chubby guy. Or is the chubby guy one of the sons? Whoa. But he's so young. Okay, wait. Yes, as in he's one of the sons, or he has 2 sons and a daughter. Yeah, I saw his watch collection. That's crazy. Bro, search Mukesh Ambani wife, you'll come mad. 2 sons and 1 daughter. Crazy. He seems so young. He's coming back. My entry looks good. Nice, bro. Glad you got a good entry. My Jaime has the best house. I saw it in your Insta. Which, oh, the villa. Dino. So where's your home? Which country are you from? I'm originally from South Africa, but I've been traveling like quite a bit. So I was in Singapore, Thailand, Puerto Rico, Madrid. But now I'm somewhere. Cheers, bro. Take care. Dubai? No, not Dubai. I'm not really a fan of Dubai. Like, I don't think I'd live there. But like to go for like a week or two, sure. But I don't think I could live there to be very, very honest with you. What's the strat? The strat? Strategy? Uh, it's quite complex. It's not just like a simple. Do I use trend lines? Yes, I do. It's not just like a simple like like SNC or something like that, or liquidity sweep. It's basically like 8 variables. The 8 variables that I use are um, trend line, support, resistance, daily high, daily low, weekly high, weekly low. So basically the daily ranges, Fibonacci levels, um, Japanese candlesticks, patterns, fair value gaps, and EMAs. So I use those 8 variables. Using monthly account, buy-in or once paid account, and how many funded are you? Using monthly account for buying or once paid account? I don't understand that, bro. Sorry. All price action with naked charts. That's right, bro. Not necessarily naked. My chart looks like a little bit like Picasso, but not like super overwhelming. But definitely not naked. Like if you see, let me go on like the 4 hour. You know, like it's actually pretty decent, to be fair. I think the main thing is I just keep what's relevant. Do you know? I just keep what's relevant. So yeah, but it's not that crazy. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to be giving away the other 50K and two 10K accounts. Just a reminder that in order to qualify for the giveaway, right, you do need to be subscribed to the AquaTV account. If you want to boost your chances, make sure that maybe you clip something on the live stream, maybe you repost your profits, you tag AquaTV, you tag me. Just get the word out there that, look, we are streaming here almost every single day, and we are literally giving free accounts every single day. So the more people that actually attend the live stream, you know, we can work on like more prizes and stuff. So there's a higher chance for you to win. But right now, like if you win an account, like you're only really going to be valid to win again after like 30 days. So yeah, just make sure you like the video. Look, we have 23 people on, right? 23 people. Let's see how many likes we have. We have, okay, 21 likes. Okay, I'll settle for 21. It's not 24. Oh, okay. Okay, you guys are working now. Great. Okay. So we're basically on par with the viewers. That's great. Okay, so we'll be giving away the 50K, 10K, 10K. I'll start off with the two 10Ks and then the 50K last. Then same thing, we let this trade run. I'll be back on streams from next week, Tuesday. If you guys do want to see me trade New York, just follow my Insta, you'll see all the stuff there. Okay, cool. So pretty simple for the giveaway. I just want you guys to tell me, all right, what is your favorite thing about the stream? It can be a short answer, it can be a sentence, something that just makes me like, I don't know, smile, or if it's cute, just tell me something that you like about the stream, and then I'm just gonna go and give away accounts. Learn a new thing, Vishal. I like that. Okay. I like how patient you are. All right. So Karing and Vishal. Okay. Vishal and Karan. Sorry. Okay, so you guys are typing like crazy, but Karan and Vishal, you guys both want 10K accounts. My hat. Aqua's full of analysis, including ICSMC and price action. These makes me to choose what I like. I like that. Diversity within the streamers. Okay, so Yash, you want a 50K futures account. All right, that's it for the giveaways. All right. Vishal and Karan, you guys both want 10K accounts, and then 50K account, Yash. All right, 50K futures account. Again, guys, if you guys go onto the YouTube channel, all right now you click on, you can see all the planned streams. All right. Make sure that you attend every single stream. Attend every single stream because you'll be able to win the exact same prizes. 50K accounts, 10K accounts. We do it every single day, multiple times a day. So if you guys didn't win anything here, try again on the next stream. And then if you guys didn't win on that stream, I'll see you guys Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All right, so with regards to this German 40 trade, guys, if you hit TP1 or TP2, please take a screenshot and send it to me or post it on your IG, Facebook, Snapchat, LinkedIn, whatever. Tag me. let's see the results. I really want to see some results from the streams. We've been doing pretty good. And yeah, I'd like to actually see some results from you guys. So again, right now, this trade, we're still in profit, but not by much. The moment price comes into TP1, 24,010, you move your stop loss to entry. Final TP is 23,695. All right. So just make sure that you do follow that, and boom, that's it. That's literally it. All right, sick, guys. I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday. Many blessings for the weekend. If you guys are celebrating Diwali, happy Diwali. If you guys aren't celebrating Diwali, have a great weekend. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks for coming through. See you guys next week.